In this video, we are going to see how we can download and install the latest version of CapCut directly in your PC. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, what you need to do is just open up your favorite browser. In this case, I am using a Google Chrome. So we open that up, head over to google.com, and we just simply search for CapCut. And it will show you and suggest you the official website of it. You just click on that, and from here we have the option to try online for free, or you can download it for PC. So click on download, and it will immediately download it like this. It's only of 2.7 MB because it will download and install this online. So click on that. So as you can see, it is downloading and installing it at the same time. So just sit back and relax while it completes that. And once it completes the installation, it will test the environment for your PC. So this will take some time, and now it reports that your computer can run CapCut smoothly. You can click on confirm and it will automatically open it for you. Also, you get the shortcut icon on your desktop just like so. You agree and continue, and you can subscribe to the pro version as well. But let's just close and click on create project. And that is how you can start working on CapCut. You can import the materials. This is a pretty basic guide, and it will guide you for different functionalities, as you can see, just like so. And that is how you can use it. If you want to exit at any step, you click on exit and you should be good to go. After that, you just start a new project, and that is how you can download and use it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.